friends, welcome back to Statisticians Hub. In today's video, we will be exploring how to conduct an independent t-test in MS Excel. The independent t-test is statistical method used to compare the means of two independent groups. It is commonly used in research to determine if there is a significant difference between the average values of two sets of data. I am Joy and let's explore. Well, independent t-test is used to compare two sample means from unrelated groups. That means independent groups. Which means that independent t-test is used to test the equality between two population means. This is the formula of independent t-test, where x bar is this and y bar is this. Also, sample standard deviation is this. Let's see the assumption of independent t-test. The first assumption is the parent population from which the sample is drawn is normal. The next one is the sample observations are independent. And the last one is the population variance are unknown but equal. Let's go to the Excel and see how to calculate independent t-test in Excel. Okay, there are two samples. In the first sample, there is a given number of observations, and the second sample there are 13 number of observations. Now we want to check the sample means are equal or not. So first we go to data and click on data analysis. If you don't have data analysis toolpack, then no need to worry, there is a solution. Go to the file and click on option. Now click on add-ins and click on go. Here you can see that there is a data analysis toolpack. I have already checked this. If you don't have data analysis toolpack in your Excel, please check this and click OK. Then there is you can see that there is a data analysis toolpack. So now I click on the data analysis toolpack and click on t-test to sample assuming equal variance. Click on OK. Now variable 1 range, select this sample 1, and variable 2 range, select sample 2, and click on level, and now output option where you want to see your output. So I click on output this, and I have right here, then F, then OK, and here is my output. Here you can see that the mean of sample 1 is 22 and sample 2 is 35, and the p-value of two-tail, you can see that the p-value is 0.0002, that is less than 0.05. So we can conclude that there is a significant difference between the two means. That means this, here you can also see that means are not equal. So we can conclude that the two means are not equal. If this video helps you, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe our YouTube channel Statisticians Hub for more statistical insights, and also Happy New Year in advance. Thank you.